5 tips for meal prepping if you're trying to lose weight. Meal prepping has grown in popularity, and we're not surprised. Who doesn't want to save time, money, and energy in the kitchen? However, many people see meal prepping as something only bodybuilders do or something reserved for those who want to bulk up. The truth of the matter is that meal prepping makes healthy eating easier for everyone. It can help you lose weight if you're trying to slim down and make your efforts more sustainable. Here are 5 tips to get started with meal prepping if you're trying to lose weight. 1. Create a plan. Meal prepping is a great way to make sure you're getting all of your nutrients in and still saving time. But if you are trying to lose weight, it's important to monitor how many calories are in your meals. Our best advice: make a weekly plan of what you'll be eating, follow it closely, and avoid unscheduled snacks or splurges. These will throw off your weight loss goals. It also helps to have other meal prep tips at hand, like these 5 smart ones that show prepping ahead can help with healthy weight loss too. 2. Use containers with lids. When meal prepping for weight loss, use airtight containers with lids to pack your healthy foods. Not only does it make it easier to take meals with you when you need to, but it also helps to prevent foods from spoiling if you have leftovers. You can purchase these items at most grocery stores or even purchase large amounts of plastic containers for very cheap. Find things that will stack inside each other and save yourself a ton of storage space. Food poisoning is never fun. And no one wants ruined food. Pace. Slowing down your eating can help make sure you're not overstuffing yourself during meals, which often leads to overeating. Whatever you do, make sure that meal prep isn't where you fall short in your weight loss efforts. It's not fun taking leftovers for lunch every day,